Hi. Every now and then, our friends ask us when they come to stay at Katie's Abode Hattola, what can they do here? And we tell them, just do nothing. Actually, sometimes by not doing anything, you can do a lot. So in this vlog, let me tell you how you can delightfully pass your time when on a vacation in our Uttarakhand homestay. First, lose the smartphone. What's the use of staring at a screen when you can appreciate the gifts of God in full? Second, laze around, vegetate, and let nature take a grip on you. Gaze aimlessly at the green mountains and snow-capped peaks, or just let the cool breeze embrace you. Third, take this opportunity to pick a book from our library and read it from cover to cover, sitting on the porch or underneath the apple tree. Fourth, just sunbathe. The clean air and bright sunshine is something to die for. Fifth, take long walks in the village. Since there is no traffic, you can take a leisurely walk without any interruption. Now, if you have a pet, enjoy the time with him. Take him along when you go for your walks. And if you want to loosen your muscles, do some basic trekking. There are many walking paths which you can explore. Sixth, listen to the music from our hand-picked tracks. These are songs that we have put together over the years. And while you listen to them, bond over a board game with your family. We have chess, carom, ludo, and other games. Just ask us or our caretaker to give them to you. Seventh, let the photographer or painter in you come out. Capture the virgin landscape and bring home memories that will last a lifetime. 8. If you are a yoga enthusiast, Hattola is perhaps the best place for you. Just roll down your yoga mat on the warm grass and fill your weary city lungs with some fresh mountain air. 9th, make a day trip to the many tourist destinations and attractions in the radius of 30 to 40 kilometers. There are waterfalls and ancient temples which are worth visiting. 10th, this is my personal favorite. Enjoy the simple taste of organic food. Our caretaker can serve you a couple of local dishes which you will definitely love. And if it's fruit season, enjoy some fresh fruits. Apples, plums, apricots, peaches, you name it, and it will be in your fruit basket. These are just a few of things you can do at Katie's Abode Hattola. There are, however, many other things you can enjoy here. All you need to do is lift your eyes from the screen of your gadget and have an open mind. So, as you go, don't forget to imagine sipping a cup of hot beverage beside the fireplace, protected from the icy wind blowing outside. It is more or less chilly throughout the year. I know, seems heavenly, right? So, cheers to that and see you very soon.